Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In today's video I will discuss about uses of can and could. In which situation we will use can and in which situation we will use could. So let's start the video. At first we will talk about the uses of can. When we talk about someone's ability, that time we will use can. Can express ability and cannot express inability. For example, she can speak 10 languages. That means she is able to speak in 10 languages. That is her ability. Another example, I cannot cook. That means he or she is unable to cook. If I give another example, can you speak Spanish? Here we are asking about his Spanish ability. So in which situation we will ask or we will talk about ability, in that time we can use can. Alright, now we will discuss about uses of could. Could is the past tense of can. It is used to talk about ability that existed in the past. For example, till last year I could read without glasses. That means he was able to read the books or anything else without glasses in his past times. Here is a things that could doesn't always refer to past time. It refers to past time only when the context makes the time clear. Could may express possibility or uncertainty. For instance, you could do it if you tried hard. Could is also used to ask polite questions. If I give some example, for instance, could you please take me to the manager? Or could I have a look at your papers? These are the type of polite questions. Here we are used could. So you can use could to ask the polite questions in anywhere. Can is used to ask permissions or give permission. For example, you can use my umbrella. I don't need it right now. Or can I sit that chair please? Or can I ask you a question? These are the type of asking or giving permissions. So where we need to ask or give permission, we can use can. A can is used when you offer to help someone to do something for them. For example, you don't need to walk home. I can take you there if you like. Or can I carry your bags for you? These are offering help for them. So if we want to offering something to someone, we can use can. This is the basic use of can and could, and I will upload many more videos about uses of can and could. So you can follow my channel until that, and if it is possible you can subscribe my channel for next videos. Thank you for watching my